hope they don't spook the ones that are up there. God.
We got tailing redfish up here.
Oh, goldfish.
Crashing bait.
Just throw up on folks.
Yep.
Man, if you get it on that point, you'll catch one. Do I need to get out of your way?
Only if you don't want to get hooked.
That's good. Oh, you missed it.
Oh, that one hit it. God damn. You got poppers, Chip?
Nope. Actually, I do.
Oh, spit that.
Oh, fucking missing
Coming
out.
out. If I go any closer, I
No, we're good.
Leave it up there. Get it right on that point.
That's right in him.
Just gotta get him. There you go. Got him, all right.
Get him out of there, man.
Here.
I got you.
Take that. Still recording, just go.
There he is.
Smile, dude. Video.
That was awesome.
Well, I tell you what, that's a bad spot to be a shrimp, isn't it?
Get the guide in there, Chip.
Snapshot.
All right, that's good. That's a good video right there, man.
Let it go, let it drift. Watch how much it drifts.
No.
It's like a slow river. There's a spot that's like the size of a coffee table that if you get it in there, you pretty much get a fish. Oh baby. Gonna drift right into a mouth. Get a little pull.
Caught the bottom. The shadows are starting to flirt with that edge.
These are some of the least spooky fish we've had though. Yee! Yeah.
Fish?
I don't know if that was a fish or not.
I haven't been able to bump bottom over there,
Felt like
dude.
one.
I haven't been able to bump bottom over there. I'll clear that motor if you need me to.
The shadows over that spot.
Doink. Bank shot.
Oh, gadwalls are talking.
Yep.
Alright, we jinxed us with the video camera.
Sorry, Chip. Didn't intentionally not tape you.
Alright, we just clean the camera better. Alright, last cast.
Oh!
And look what happens. Boom!
As soon as you said that, he hooked up. Chip responds to pressure.
Quick response.
I'll do the bozo boy.
Looking at it.
Oh, we don't count those, Chip.
Thinking about this one.
Yeah, right on top of the head, actually.